if you're looking for a valve spring compressor tool for a RB 25 or 26, Jim Wolf Technologies sells one for a 300ZX or the VG30. The VG30 and the RB 26 kind of use the same head architecture. A VG30 uses hydraulic lifters, which the RB 25, DET, Series 1, Series 2 also use the exact same lifters, so the head architecture is very similar. In the tool, you get this little bar, 2 bolts. This portion is threaded, this one is not. You get a valve lifter cutaway. So in the RB 25 or RB 26, this is just a solid plate over it. But in the tool, it's just cut off and it's got a hole going through it. And here you can see the 2 valves that I've already done. There's the keepers. So the way the tool works, you put the mock bucket, I would call it. Put that in there. Make sure it slides in. And we'll take our tool, thread it into one of the rod caps holes. I like to use the bottom one. Thread that in. You don't have to tighten it. It could be hand tight, but I'll just tighten it a little bit just so it won't move. Give me just a sec. Just get it in line. Tighten it just a little bit. And then we'll run down this one until it contacts the bucket. Like so. And then we'll just tighten down this one. And we'll start to see the bucket push down the spring and the valve. And we can see that our keepers are starting to separate. And there we've bottomed out the tool. And then I'm going to go in here with a screwdriver. Just move those keepers around just to loosen them up. Come in with my magnet. And the valve actually is moved down a little bit, so I'm going to lift the cylinder head a little bit to where I can get, oh, I need something thicker. Cylinder head up enough to where I can get my hand under it and push the valve up a little bit. You see how it kind of fell down? So, put my magnet in here. Kind of hard doing it with one hand. Push the valve up. Whoop. And there are, well, there's one of my keepers. The other one's still in there. Okay, I got both of them out. Yep, and that's the Jim Wolf Technologies valve spring compressor for a VG30, but also works on a 25, 20, and 26. And this can be used on the engine while, you know, the head's still on the cylinder head, or the cylinder, or the block. I mean, you know, you just have to put compressed air into the cylinder to keep the valve from falling. But since I have it taken off, it's a little bit easier. So, yep, just want to let you guys know that there is a tool for it, and it's not very much. I bought this tool a couple years back, and I think it was around $40 to $50. It might have gone up since then, but